Hello everyone. In today's quick Python tip, we are going to look at how you can join a list of a string into a single string with just one line of the code using Python's join method. Imagine you have a list of words and you want to combine them into a single sentence. Doing it manually would take multiple lines of codes, but with Python, we can do it in just one line. So let's say we have a list of words, as you can see on line number 2. It's hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, but it's a list of a string, so it's not an actual sentence. And we want to join these words into a sentence. And here is how we can do it in one line. As you can see, we have a join method. It's a built-in function available. You don't have to import anything, and you pass down your iterable. So here is your iterable is should be a list of string or iterable of strings, and you specify what would be the delimiter, and based on the delimiter, join function would take words from this list one by one and put the delimiter between them. Like, for example, it's take hello and then put a space, and then take and put a space, because we specify a space here. This is very, it looks very simple, but it's very useful. You've seen this multiple codes. You're probably gonna use this a lot in your code base. So let me try and run this code. This is a very short code. As you can see, it combine all of the words from this list and then pass as a sequence of the strings. One bonus point I'm going to give you here about this join, because for join you always have to have a list of a string. So what if we have a different type, like integer, of this string? If I run this, we will see it's gonna be return an error. So let me comment this line for less confusion. So as you can see, since one of the data type is not a string, it's an integer, so the Python would give you the error, right? So here it's saying they expect it to be a string, but int font. Here we still can do it in one line, and we can use a map function. So if you don't know map function, I'm going to create another video about the map function. You can see that in later. In the map function, you can specify a function that you want to apply to a given list. So you have, for example, we have a map, we have a function. For example, here I'm going to use a string. So this is the string, the str is a function that it accepts something like integer and return the string type of it. And then my iterable, so in this case our iterable is this list. So if I use this inside the join, that would actually return this first, convert it to the string, and then return it back to the join, and we won't see this error again here, as you can see here. So if I just copy it here, and let me cut this guy here, and run it, as you can see, we are not seeing any error, and it's just returned the string type of that integer back to the sentence. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.